Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about the Osaka City Central Public Hall. The Osaka City Central Public Hall is a famous old building in Nakanoshima, Osaka. It was built in 1980. The hall has red blocks and white stones. Its style is neo-Renaissance. Many people love its beautiful design. A man named Einosuke Iwamoto given money to build this hall. He was a stock trader. The hall became a place for concerts, lectures, and meetings. Inside, there are big and small rooms. You can also see pretty stained glass and paintings on the ceilings. In 2022, the hall became an important central property of Japan. After repairs, it is still used today. At night, the building is lit up. Many people take photos and share them on social media. In 2025, the Osaka Kansai Expo will be held, so more people will visit this area. The hall is close to Nakanoshima Station, Keihan Line, and Yodobashi Station, Osaka Metro. It is easy to visit. If you want to feel the culture and history of Osaka, this is a good place to go. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.